Looking for makeup ideas that will make you turn heads? Look no further. Here are the latest and greatest trends, from natural to glam, so you can find the perfect look for any occasion. Glam makeup is a type of makeup that is designed to make you look glamorous. It is typically characterized by bold colors, dramatic features, and a polished finish. Glam makeup can be worn for any occasion, but it is especially popular for special events such as weddings, proms, and red carpet appearances. To create a glam makeup look, you will need to start with a flawless base. Apply a foundation that matches your skin tone and concealer to cover any blemishes. You can also use a powder to set your makeup and give it a matte finish. For your eyes, you can use a variety of different eyeshadow colors and techniques to create a dramatic look. Some popular glam eye makeup looks include smoky eyes, cut creases, and winged eyeliner. You can also use false eyelashes to add volume and glamour to your lashes. For your cheeks, you can use a blush to add a pop of color and dimension to your face. You can also use a bronzer to contour your cheekbones and jawline. For your lips, you can choose a bold lipstick color to complete your glam look. Some popular glam lip colors include red, burgundy, and plum. You can also use a lip gloss to add shine and plumpness to your lips. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.